Welcome to our journey into the extraordinary world of innovation, a name synonymous with innovation, ambition, and a boundless quest to reshape the future. From electric cars to space exploration, Musk's relentless pursuit of audacious goals has captured the imagination of millions worldwide. Join us as we delve into the fascinating life and groundbreaking achievements of one of the most influential entrepreneurs of our time. This is the story of Elon Musk, the man who dares to dream beyond the stars. Elon Musk is a modern-day visionary known for his groundbreaking work in two major industries, electric vehicles with Tesla and space exploration with SpaceX. His journey is like something out of a science fiction novel, filled with twists, turns, and remarkable achievements. Early days and entrepreneurial spirit. Elon Musk was born in South Africa in 1971. Even as a child, he showed a keen interest in technology and entrepreneurship. At the age of 12, he sold his first software, a video game called Blastar. Musk's entrepreneurial spirit continued to blossom as he pursued education in physics and economics. PayPal and early success. In 1999, Musk co-founded X.com, an online payment company. This venture later became PayPal after a merger. PayPal revolutionized online payments and was eventually sold to eBay for $1.5 billion in 2002. Musk's share of the sale netted him around $165 million. Tesla Motors. Elon Musk's journey with Tesla began in 2004 when he joined the company as chairman of the board and its largest investor. Initially, Tesla aimed to produce high-performance electric sports cars, but Musk had grander ambitions. He envisioned Tesla as a force for sustainable transportation, leading the company to expand its lineup to include more affordable electric vehicles like the Model S, Model 3, Model X, and Model Y. Despite facing numerous challenges, including production delays and financial setbacks, Tesla became a symbol of innovation in the automotive industry. Musk's bold vision and relentless pursuit of excellence propelled Tesla to become one of the most valuable carmakers globally. SpaceX. In 2002, Musk founded SpaceX with the goal of reducing space transportation costs and enabling the colonization of Mars. SpaceX faced skepticism from the aerospace industry, but Musk's determination and willingness to take risks paid off. The company achieved numerous milestones, including the first privately funded spacecraft to reach orbit, Falcon 1, and the first privately funded spacecraft to dock with the International Space Station, Dragon. SpaceX's reusable rocket technology, exemplified by the Falcon 9 and Falcon Heavy, has revolutionized space travel, significantly lowering the cost of launching payloads into space. In 2020, SpaceX made history by launching astronauts to the International Space Station aboard the Crew Dragon spacecraft, the first crewed mission by a private company. Other ventures and innovations. In addition to Tesla and SpaceX, Musk has been involved in various other ventures, including SolarCity, solar energy, Neuralink, neural interface technology, The Boring Company, tunnel construction, and recently purchased Twitter, now known as X platform. His willingness to tackle seemingly insurmountable challenges and push the boundaries of innovation has cemented his status as one of the most influential entrepreneurs of our time. Impact and legacy. Elon Musk's impact extends far beyond his individual companies. He has inspired a new generation of entrepreneurs and engineers to pursue audacious goals and think beyond conventional boundaries. His vision of a sustainable future, both on Earth and beyond, continues to shape the trajectory of technology and humanity's exploration of space. In simple terms, Elon Musk is like a real-life Tony Stark, using his brilliance and determination to transform industries and push the limits of what's possible. From electric cars to space rockets, his journey is a testament to the power of innovation and perseverance. For more video like this, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.